Hello everyone, so this is the video number 3 for building a backup server from scratch that uses Ansible to do backups, different backups, VM backups, file backups, whatever you want. And we are here at part 5 from my presentation here, and in this video I will show you how you can enable your backup server to send messages in the Discord app when it starts a playbook or when it ends a playbook, the execution of a playbook, or if something goes wrong during the playbook execution. And we will also take a look at the wall-on application that I use. You don't have to use this, but I like it because I can send wake on LAN messages directly from my phone, and I also can schedule wake on LAN messages. I believe there are also other apps that can do this. Nevertheless, I'm using this one. Okay, so let's start with the Discord. So to be able to send messages directly into Discord, you will need your own private server. So I already created one, but I will also show you how you create your own. So just so this is the desktop application. You just add server, select create my own, then select whatever you want. I just selected for me and my friends, and then you can type the name of your server and customize it as you want, and just click create. And after you click create, you will have something like this: text channels and voice channels. And here I believe it will be one text channel that is called general or something like that. You can customize that also and create and give it different names and everything you want. So yeah, Discord is free, so this is why I opted for this type, and it's very easy from Ansible to send messages. What you need when after you create your server, you just need to go on the text channel and go to the settings, go to integration, and here under webhooks, request a new webhook. I already created one, and I just need you just need to copy the webhook URL. So once you have the webhook URL, you can go and put that into Ansible. So where is the playbooks? Where are the playbooks? Here. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So you should declare the webhook as a variable, because you will need it several times during the playbook execution. So, and this is all the magic. So you will use the built-in URI module, and this is exactly how I've done it. So here you will use the webhook from above. Method is post, body format is JSON, and this is the REST username. So username is just this one. Where is it? So this one. You can customize this also. You can change whatever you want, and those are the messages, and you can also customize colors. Yeah, let's do a test. Let me create a new playbook, because this is a bigger one and we don't have time to run a complete new playbook. Let me new file discord.yml. Now will just paste the same thing, and we will do here localhost host, because we just want to test the message. Okay, and as I told you, we can change anything here. So let's say test my bot, my message. No, this is the username. My user, he will send VM backup job message, and yeah, we can eliminate this because we don't have any, or yeah, we leave it because it will be localhost. Yeah, since I declared here localhost, there is no reason to also delegate to localhost, but I will leave it like this. Very important here is this status code 204. I tried it without it and it works, but it also throws an error because this is the response from Discord. So you will get successful with this code, and this is why I use status code 204 so that I do not get a lot of red marks here. And let's try it out. So let me make this a little bit like this and put the Discord app here. How little can I make this? Okay, I don't really need too much space. Okay, so let's see where is my playbook. Okay, play, and it's in the backup. Okay, it's Ansible playbook. How did we name it? Discord. Okay, and if we run it, it should send our message. So we received the message. As you can see, we changed the user that was sent, so the name of the user, and we sent a custom message. You can play also around with the colors. So I selected green for successful task, but if you will, and I will show you that I also added some tasks that give me warnings if something failed, and to better see them in the app, you can change the color. Let me see if I can get a color code. I should see that here in my backup and in the rescue. This one. So this one is red. Let me just copy that and change it into this. And VM backup, let's say, failed. Save it. And we just execute the playbook one more time. And now we should have a red message. So we have the color red, and yeah, we know that something failed. So this is all about the Discord. So for me it's very simple, and you can use this block. So this task wherever you want. So if you want to send a message, I believe you can furthermore customize it, but I didn't try all the variants. This is enough for me. Okay, so we talked about, let's go back. We talked about Discord and the webhooks and everything. What did I select all? I just wanted to select this. Okay, nevertheless, yeah, let's go to this application. So in the first video of this mini series I also talked about Wall On. It's a very nice app. I've downloaded from Google Play because I have an Android phone. And where are my pictures? This is how I'm using it to power on my backup server only when it needs to be on. So because this is my home lab, I do not do backups every day, so I don't need to do backups every day. I'm doing them once a month or once every 3 weeks, something like that. And there is no reason to keep my backup server up and running 24/7 if I only use it for 2 hours once a month. And with this app I can schedule, let me show you. So if you go to automation, picture, we go to schedule, and then you can schedule when the application should send you a wake on LAN message to any of your on your home servers. And yeah, for me it sends on the 28th every month at 11. It sends a power on message through the LAN, and yeah, the backup server starts. And inside the backup server, of course, we have our systemd timers and services that will execute scheduled on a schedule the playbooks that we want to. We will get also to that part in a later on video. Yeah, you don't need to use this. A lot of even my little computer, this one. So I'm using this Think Center from Lenovo. So this is very old. I don't know, it's 8 years old at least. And yeah, it doesn't have so much power, but you don't really need to have so much power. In the BIOS, you can also schedule the power on. So if you don't want to use this application, you can also schedule that directly in the BIOS, but I believe this is more comfortable, or I don't know, easier. So yeah, I believe this is it for this video. Yeah, please subscribe to my channel if you liked this type of video. And yeah, in the next video we will get into the actual playbooks that I've built to make this server into a backup server driven by Ansible. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.